Hi everybody, I'm here to show you how to turn in your work once you're finished with the project. So here I am, I've finished my identity project. I'm going to go up here on the top right, there is a little purple button that says share. I'm going to click on that. And you want to come down right here where it says share pages to and then publish. So click that publish and it automatically gives you a link. Copy, excuse me. Copy that link. Okay. Now you're going to go to your email and email it to yourself. I'm going to email it to my Fulton email, my project. There's the link. Hit send. And it should only take a second because I'm sitting here at school. There we go. Boom. Now when I open my project, it actually goes to a link. So when you email this to me, this is why we're about to do what we're doing. You need to put this on a Word document because I can't print this or save this or anything. So you're going to click, you can do save or copy. I do save so I can put it on my desktop. So on my desktop, and I'm going to say identity project. And it was the first project, so I'm going to put a 1. Okay. Now my next step, I'm going to go to a Word document. Oh, make a new one. So I'm going to make a new Word document. And I don't know where my toolbar is. There you are. I don't know why you're not staying open. Okay. Excuse me. I'm trying to move this down. Okay, Word's not cooperating with me. Thank you, Word. I appreciate you. Okay, so I'm going to have to do it the old-fashioned way. I was just going to click and drag it over. Oh, Lord. Okay, well, now I'm starting to get irritated. There we go. Now we're minimized. Okay. Get all this out of the way. You know what? This one seems to be working. I'm just going to put it right here. There we go. Now I've got my... Oh, sweet. Dude, come on. Sorry, I'm trying to move this thing out of the way, and it won't let me grab it. There we go. Jeez. Okay. Here's my project. So now I have it on a Word document. And the reason that you want to put it on a Word document is because now you can change the size to how big you want it. So this is really the whole sheet of paper. I think half a sheet of paper is a pretty good size. Maybe a little bit bigger. All right, so now I'm going to save that. And I like to put things on my desktop because then I can just drag them over. And this is my project to turn in. Oh, you know what? It would really help. I'm going to put my name. Bentley Project. And it's on my desktop. Okay. I'm going to minimize all this business. And here's my project right here. Okay. So now, put her over on the side so you can see her. I'm going to go back to my email. Make sure I can see. There's my project. So now I'm going to do an email. And you're going to email it to me. Obviously, I'm emailing it to myself. So type in my email. And it would really help, again, if you just put your name. Say Bentley's, project. And all you got to do is click and drag that Word document over to the email. Let it load for a second and it's ready. And then hit send. Boom. You're done.